Hi everyone, welcome to the AMX Superstore's Product Insight. I'm Riana, Crehan, and I'm joined by our brand manager from Sidi, Damien Irwin. Damien, today we're talking about touring boots. These are the latest from Sidi. Tell me about these.
Well, thanks, Ree. These are the new Sidi Aria boots. So very, very lightweight touring boot, 100% waterproof and great for summer riding as well.
Let's get into the details. How about we go outside in? Tell me about the sole.
The sole on these is very grippy, so great for road use. These are CE approved boots, so they've been designed to give protection for side impacts, for twisting, etc. So very, very safe. And there's a huge amount of protection in these. The upper's made from microfiber, and you've got PU protectors in the toe box. You've got heel protectors in here. Inside the boot, you've got protectors in both sides, the inside and the outside of the ankle. So very, very light, but very, very strong.
And what about the inside of the boot and what makes it waterproof?
So these feature the premium Gore-Tex liner, which if anyone's used it, it's a very premium liner, breathable but 100% waterproof. With this one, when we open up the inside of the boot, you've got a zip and a Velcro closure, which is great for calf adjustment as well. But you can see the gaiter here goes all the way to the top. So these are waterproof right to the top of the boot. Which
is what everybody wants to hear. Tell me about the outside liner.
So this one features something a little bit different. Most boots have an outer and a waterproof liner inside. With this is a microfiber mesh. So you're actually getting airflow through the boot to the liner, and it actually makes them a lot cooler to wear in hot weather.
So perfect for all conditions and keeping that temperature control. Anything else we need to know about the boots?
Well, these are available in sizes from 41 all the way through to size 50, and they're unisex, so perfect for men and women.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Damien. If you'd like any more information on the Sidi Aria touring boots, head to your nearest AMX Superstore, or of course the information is there for you on the website.